Schedule a Zoom with me at gcexperts.com/Zoom.
The different options we can go for is basically we can sign up with you like a monthly thing, and you can kind of hold our hand through this paperwork process.
That's the whole deal right there.
Okay, and then you have a way of getting us access to look at some of these jobs as well too, right? Because I don't even know where to look for them.
That's one and the same thing. So you go through my 3-day training, then you join the membership program, and then in the membership program, that's where you get bid tracker, access to me, all the paperwork, subcontract agreements, purchase orders, safety plans, CQC, all the paperwork to be a federal contractor.
Yeah, because I know putting all that stuff together can be daunting.
Well, I break it down, teach it like you teach it to a 5th grader.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, Greg goes, well, is there a guarantee we're going to get some work? He's a Southern boy. I was like, well, Greg, we all know there's no guarantees in anything.
Yeah. But
imagine...
there are no guarantees. But so what I do is I provide proof, right? So if you go to gcexperts.com/proof and you watch those videos, I mean, it's not only guys saying good things about me, it's their actual federal awards, because all that information is public information.
Yeah. So, but yeah, I just wanted to touch bases with you and just let you know that I talked to Greg and
well, Bob, the main thing is how hard am I to get a hold of? This is the second time you've called me now.
Not that hard. So
that's right.
So that's good. But no, I just rolled back in. I'm almost to Waco right now, headed home. Man, it's been a long drive.
Ooh.
So I left La Junta, Colorado this morning at 4:30.
Boy, that is a long drive.
Yeah, it's about 13 hours to get home. So, but yeah, I'm anxious about this because I think there's some, Greg, he's trying to get his product, because I know the government they look for his type of product with energy efficient stuff, and he's trying to get his product out a little bit, and then I just want to make money installing it. So, where I'm at.
Sure.
So, but anyway, I don't bug you anymore. I just wanted to one more, that was one more question. If that's something that, we sign on, you can kind of hold our hand for a year or so to make sure we're doing what we need to do to get some of these jobs.
Absolutely.
Perfect. Well, I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I won't chew in your ear anymore. I'm sure you're busy, so I just touching bases with you, and then, like I said, I reached out with Greg. He and I are going to have a little sit down here in a couple of weeks. He's in Alabama, and I got a job over there. We're going to sit down. We're going to give you a call, okay?
All right, sounds good. I'll be here.
All right, thank you, sir.
You bet. Bye-bye.
Bye.